2025. Okay, you can see it is of Sardar Patel University, Mandi. So this is B.Sc first year. Sorry, this is B.Sc final year. You can see this is the B.Sc final year question paper of 2025. So this is CHEM 304TH question paper. You can see the different questions. Give the method for preparation of KMNO4, and next question is of Latimer diagram. So you have to solve how you can find the potential in the Latimer diagram. Next question is why do transition elements show variable oxidation state? Which element has maximum oxidation state in the 3T series? Why zinc is white, copper is colored? Explain lanthanide contraction, causes, consequences. यूरोपियम एंड ड्यूटेरियम के बारे में पूछा गया है. Why they show the +2 oxidation state? Why lanthanides have poor tendency to form the complexes? And what are the problems in the separation of lanthanides from one another? ठीक है. So this is the section 1, question number 1 and 2. You can note down the questions. Next, we have section B. Write down the formula of the complex. You are given the complex dichloro chlorido bis. Chlorido means chloro only. Ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt. Okay, so I have written this formula here, and you have to show which type of isomerism is present in this complex. So it is having the isomerism, cis trans isomerism, and it is also having the optical isomerism. And on the basis of VBT, you have to show the structure of NiCN4 and NiCl4. One will be square planar and one will be tetrahedral. So NiCN4 is square planar, where NiCl4 is tetrahedral. Then coordination compound this. So you can read the question, and when you react it with silver chloride के साथ अगर आप इसको react करेंगे, what will be the structure formed? The structure will be CONH36. This is not, there is nothing, CONH36, and 3Cl3 will be outside. Okay, and ammonia, there is no ammonia. So how many ions will be total formed? 3 ions of chlorine and 1 of this whole. So total ions will be 4. So answer of this, they are asked that total number of how many ions are formed. The total ions there will be 4. ठीक है, पूरा मैंने सॉल्व नहीं कर रही हूँ, जस्ट आई एम गिविंग यू द सुपरफिशियल आइडिया. नेक्स्ट, you have to write the IUPAC name of these compounds. This is of 2 marks. Then reaction question number 4, define the ionic and covalent organometallic compounds with an example. So this is very easy question. Discuss the structure of ferrocene. Again, it is very important, structure of ferrocene. It can be asked on the basis of VBT or on the basis of molecular orbital theory. So you have to tell which type of compound is it. Is it on the basis of molecular orbital theory, this is different explanation. On the basis of VBT, so everything it is given in your textbook. You can refer from there. What are metal olefin complexes? It is very important. Again, you can explain on the based on the Z salt. You can take the example of Z salt, and you can explain the structure and bonding in case of metal olefin complexes. Again, you are given you have to write the IUPAC name of this compound. So you can see that there are 2 questions where you are asked the IUPAC name. So in case of organometallic compound, naming of the IUPAC name is very important. So you can refer to the IUPAC names and you can revise them equally. So again, you have to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy. I have calculated from some complexes. For this complexes, it is 0, it is 20, it is -4, it is -4. So I calculated them. You can also calculate from here. And explain the crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes, again as usual. Next, what is spectrochemical series? Both of the questions, they are expected questions. None of the question is new question, or it is very scoring question paper. So all the expected questions you can refer from here. Explain the John Taylor distortion. Again, very important question. जो हमारा organometallic chapter है, crystal field splitting very important. Spectrochemical series very important. Again, John Taylor distortion is also very important. Again, why CuSO4 is colored whereas CuSO4 and hydrous is colorless? Okay, very important question again. This is again on the basis of TD transition. Difference between delta naught and delta T. So this refer to the crystal field splitting in the octahedral complexes and in the tetrahedral complexes. And which of one is greater? So delta naught is greater, and you have to explain the relation between them. Again, very much expected question. Acidic order of these complexes. of these compounds HClO4. So there are the hydroxide of the chlorines. ठीक है, oxo acids. These are the oxo acids of chlorine. So more are the number of oxygen atom, more is the acidity. Again, this is very very expected question. Pyridine and 2-methylpyridine, which is more basic? So pyridine is more basic as compared to 2-methylpyridine. So what is the reason in this 2-methylpyridine? It is due to the steric hindrance. And this is given, it is towards the trimethylborine. Trimethylborine के साथ अगर reaction करेंगे तो which will be the more reactive one. Next is on the basis of HSAB. HSAB, you have to tell the whether this reaction is feasible or not. ठीक है, तो again you can do on the basis of hard and soft acid and bases. Again, arrange these molecules on the basis of the basic strength. So you have given ammonia, मिथाइल अमोनिया, ट्राईमिथाइल अमोनिया, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है, तो आपको इसको कंसीडर करना है कि हमें सॉलिड स्टेट में पूछा गया है या हमें वेपर स्टेट में पूछा गया है. अकॉर्डिंगली आपको ये आंसर करना है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, most of the ores of nickel, copper, zinc are sulfide. That of calcium carbonate are aluminium or oxide. Again on basis of HSAB principle, hard and soft जो भी है इसमें. ठीक है, why ammonia is more basic than NF3? Very simple. Again, F3 में it is highly electronegative, so nitrogen is not able to donate its electrons, so it is less basic. Ammonia is more basic. डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्हीनियस स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड हार्हीनियस वीक एसिड. तो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड क्या होंगे? जो बहुत इजीली एच पॉजिटिव देंगे, दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. जो वीक एसिड क्या है? जो अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन इजीली नहीं देंगे, दीज आर द वीक एसिड. ठीक है, अगेन नाउ द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट ऑफ Ti4 पॉजिटिव, इट इज 0. Similarity in the radii of second and third transition series, it is due to lanthanide contraction. Next, central metal ion in vitamin B12, it is cobalt. Number of ion produced in this molecule. So number of ion produced, there are 5 ions, 4 chlorine and 1 this whole complex. Again, Z is salt. Oxidation state of platinum is +2. Tetragonal distortion of octahedral complexes, it is known as John-Taylor distortion. Number of unpaired electrons in this complex, it is 4 unpaired electrons. You can calculate it. Strong filled Fe3 positive ions have 1 unpaired electron. Conjugate base of NH4 negative, it is ammonia. Solvent that ionizes the acid and base to different extent, it is called as differentiating solvent. So अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है, ठीक है, if you have any doubt then I can clear, I can solve this answers. You can comment me. अगर आपको कोई doubt है, अगर आपसे कोई question इसमें solve नहीं होता है, then I will definitely solve your problem. So that's for this moment. Thank you.